is the registration area for our hotel. It's quite busy. Here is Yasmin in the queue.
Just checking in.
Just checking in. So this is one entrance to Venetian. So that's our hotel, Venetian.
Oh yeah, see, this is the Italian theme. See, they have the gondolas.
This is built like you are in Italy or something.
Yeah. I wonder how much it is to go on those gondolas.
Nice fake boats. Give you like feel of you are in Italy. Look at that clock on the top.
They did a good job though, like.
So let's show them from inside. So this is a fake art that gives the impression that you are in Italy.
It's not fake, it's a very good
I think it's just a poster.
replication.
Yeah. There's so many fountains here.
No, it's okay, don't worry. Look, it says it here, gondola ride. Gondola, that's the name of the boat.
Okay, let's pause for it.
Because that's a whole new industry, isn't it? Like betting on sports.
Yeah, they give you all those screens.
Or they give you stuff. Look at all of that. It seems like you're in
games,
like a stock market or something.
Yeah.
And I said, oh my God, the wise word from the devil will be me. That's the difference. Because if you make the man red, he's going to leave it. Who cares about the
So this is the casino of our hotel. Our hotel's casino is also really huge. Huge floor. Everybody is in mask. So
Literally, it's called Noodle Asia.
nice. So whichever casino gives out more money, it attracts the gamblers.
Oh, it's other things too. It's like reputation, location, like restaurants inside, bars inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think from all of the casinos we've been to, Wynn was like the most dead so far, right?
Dead.
Dead, yeah. And Circus was kind of dead too.
Circus was kind of like bankrupted or something. So Venetian has really nice restaurants and
Yeah,
really famous ones.
yeah. That's
So you don't have to go out.
Yeah, and they're open, which is really nice because a lot of the other restaurants are closed.
Yeah.
It's like a little food court inside the hotel.
Yeah.
The thing is, like, if you're on your EUC and every time you go into a hotel, do you have to like walk your EUC?
Yeah.
That's fine for EUC, but it's not convenient for bike.
No. That's the benefit of UC. You can get indoors. It's like a briefcase. Not briefcase, suitcase. That is the center point fountain.
I keep thinking that somebody's going to stop you for your camera, but they just stop you for your mask. They're like, just put on your mask, put on your mask. We don't care what you do.
That's a good thing, isn't it?
Yeah, they're just like, do whatever you got to do, just wear your mask.
Nothing to, yeah.
I like that though, because they're like,
Yeah.
they don't bother you at all.
Yeah. So this is the main entrance for our hotel, Venetian. So if you come by car, this is where you come and get the wallet parking. So which limo you want, baby? Which limo you want?
So whichever one lets me in.
Thank you.
Again, I'm like, oh my God, he's going to be like, stop recording. And he's like, no, let me help you find the strip. This way, sir.
I thought he was saying you want to strip down.
Well, why would he want you to strip, you weirdo? He's like, if you want to strip, you can, but put on your mask. Don't forget your mask.
So it doesn't matter if you are like naked or something, but you have to have your mask on.
Priorities.
Yeah. So we walking out.
We need to do like those Asians and get like a big thing of water.
So we are walking out of Italy now. This is Palazzo Casino.
Yeah.
The casinos are everywhere, man.
This one looks more packed than the Wind.
I think one was more posh.
Yeah, that's true. So the Venetian is straight ahead.
Yeah, this one is more noisy.
Yeah, it's lively. I wonder what makes the difference. Like, why do people choose one casino over another?
Come this side.
Or maybe like you won in one like casino, and then now you think that's like really good luck, and you just keep going back there.
It depends, like also like some casinos, some days they want to give out. See, another bride. We see so many like newlywed couples. We saw one in Wynn.
Yeah. Maybe they have like a champion in each one.
Yeah, let's go this side. So this is the entrance, main entrance to Palazzo.
Yeah.
That's where you come if you're coming by car.
It's pretty legit, right? It's a nice
Yeah.
looking entrance.